You like chai? Well, there's something even better than just chai, and that is masala chai. And I'm sure some of you have had a chance to taste it or made it at home before. It's just such an amazing, comforting drink, and it is from Chaat Chutney. So let's make it. The key is to start with the amount of tea you need at the end. So if you are looking for, today we're going to have 3 cups of chai. So I'm going to take 2.5 cups of water. That's it. And to this I am going to add a couple of green cardamoms, a couple of cloves, a tiny piece of cinnamon, and just a small piece of fresh ginger. And this goes on the gas now. Once the water has come to a boil, it's had enough time for the spices to kind of infuse in the water, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of just loose tea. Obviously sugar is to your taste, but for 3 cups I will add around 2.5. I'm just making a standard masala chai, so this is how sweet it would normally be. And just mix it and then lower the heat and cook it for a couple of minutes. It's bubbling up nicely, and we're going to add a little bit of whole milk. Obviously you can use semi-skimmed. That's going to be roughly 100 ml, but obviously everyone takes tea to taste. So if you want it strong, then add less. If you want it a bit more milky, just add a bit more. So this is how I like it, and now I'll bring it to a boil. And here it is, boiling hot masala chai. Best to sieve it in a big jug so that it's easy to pour in the cups. Oh my god, this smells insanely good. And here it is, masala chai. And Sia is already getting on with the biscuits. Obviously you can enjoy it with so many things. It's endless, or just on its own. It's up to you, but please do give this a go.
With biscuits.
Easy and simple. And I will see you next week with a brand new recipe. We need to go and have some tea and biscuits. Come on then.